Hey guys, my name is Megs Golden and this here is my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you happen to hear any background noise, don't mind that, it's just my fam. So today I'm here to do something very similar to my last video. It has to do with art, and it's also sort of a step-by-step in the same way that I did on the last one about the Scooby-Doo vans that I customized for my daughter, except this time it is our new stock that just dropped for ExPANDAble Concrete. You can follow us on Instagram at ExPANDAble Concrete. We do have a website. I will put all that info down below in the description. I have been told by a couple people that I should do more of a time-lapse type video for future art projects. And I really do want to do that, and I have thought about it. It's just difficult for me, mostly being because I have 2 kids and I rarely can sit down and just complete a whole art project like that, but when I get the chance I would love to do something like that. Let me know down below if you guys enjoy videos like this one or anything that has to do with art. I do have more ideas for art videos. I actually am constantly doing art, so like I said, if that's something you're interested in, let me know. Anyway, I do want to get right to it and show you guys what I did. These boards are for sale on our website. The art is very tiny, teensy weensy, tiny stuff. I tried to do something that I kind of like to call pattern boards, but they're not all necessarily patterns. It's just, I come up with a theme for each deck. They're all one of one, so if you get one, you will be the only person to have that one. Actually, I did do 2 skull and crossbone boards, but one's mine. So if you get that one, then we're buddies, we're matching, we're twinsies. Side note, the die jobs on mine and the other skull and crossbone are different. So like in a way they're similar, but they're still different. And they're dope. And actually, the one that's for sale is way cooler than mine as far as the die job on the wood goes itself. We can definitely thank Matthew for the beautiful work. Obviously, like the craftsmanship of these boards, he makes these by himself, but he also dyes the wood by himself, and it was totally an experiment for him to do these like fading colors, all different on each deck, but they're beautiful. So definitely check them out. Obviously you're gonna see them right now, but you're gonna want to see the final finishes because I don't clear coat them myself. I don't do any of the craftsmanship. All I do is art. So anyway, they're all like shiny and glossy and fresh and clean and cool. So check them out after you watch this video. Like I was saying, they have a theme for each deck, and I come up with all these different ideas as far as little items and trinkets and I'm just kidding, like little things that match that theme, and I make sort of a collage slash pattern slash artistical thing. And anyway, I'm just going to show you guys, here's what I do, here's how I do it, here's step by step, and then I will talk to you after you see that dope, I don't cuss. Enjoy my masterpieces. First, I want to show you one that I did a while back for myself, and this is sort of how I came up with the idea, because I was like, dang, this is sick. I actually did something similar that was Minnie Mouse. That might have been the first one I ever did, but I did a witchy theme for myself. Don't mind the missing wheel, it happens. I have a toddler, I already have it fixed, but yeah, so look at that first. Here's the inspiration. Okay, now check out these super cool boards that Matthew created, did. Okay, now you can check out my art. I hope you guys liked all of that. That's it for today's video. That is what I did. I knocked all of them out while Winona was taking a nap, and I'm proud of myself for that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the boards, of my art, of the dye jobs. Hopefully you go out and buy one, follow us, check out our website, all that. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Thanks for all the love and support. If you haven't already, you should totally subscribe to my channel. And if you want to show me some more love, go ahead and comment and like this video. I will see you guys soon. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. As always, much love.